Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from expatuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about how to avoid divorce and save your marriage. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended, and subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. In this video, I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps to prevent separation or divorce and save your marriage. Most people begin their married life as a happy couple. This is the case at the beginning. Marriage is not easy, and at times couples find themselves going through tough times. Although divorce might seem like a good option, it's the least effective way to solve marital conflict. Before marriage separation becomes an ugly reality, consider these 3 steps to improve your marriage. Step 1. Heart-to-heart conversation. Conversation is a vital part when it comes to marriage. It's important to be able to talk to each other. But honestly, there are countless couples who skip this to their detriment. This should include thinking about your mistakes. Improves your communication skills by listening to your partner. If heart-to-heart conversation is not working, you can seek counseling to help you in the process. Step 2. Marriage counselor. You need a good marriage counselor. You need to find someone who will work for both of you. Many times I hear stories of those that go to counseling and only get berated by their counselor and spouse. That just turns into one giant nightmare, and something that you will have to pay for to boot. Step 3. Learn to forgive and forget. Love doesn't record wrongs. So, in your marriage, you must learn to let go of past wrongs. One thing that is known to drag relationships down is holding on to past mistakes. Learn to forgive those wrongs will save your marriage. It is not conductive or useful to keep digging when you are feeling aggrieved by your partner. Give your partner a clean slate each and every day. This will help save your marriage. No one likes to be reminded of their past mistakes, and your spouse is no different. Learning to forgive brings the balance back to your marriage. Above are 3 steps for you to follow and to avoid divorce and save your marriage. Hope you enjoy this video. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended, and subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.